Hi, new friends. We are going to put together this amazing green smoky eye look from the new Victoria Beckham eye wardrobe in olive. It's amazing. It came together so quickly, and I can't wait to show you how. First step, I prime my eyelid. As you see, I'm going to start with the light color here, and one of my favorite tricks is to line up something like this makeup eraser or a tissue if I'm on the road, and I'm going to start by blending out that base color all over the lid, but concentrating it into the crease. And it's an amazing warm light brown color to start this look off with. Now my next step is to go into this green color with a brush more like that, a little bit more control, a little bit denser. And I'm taking a little bit of that color there. I'm keeping that line. Ideally, I wouldn't move that, but I'm keeping that line. And I'm just gonna focus that color right into my corner there, and then blend it over across the lid, like that. These blend beautifully together. It's a super improvement from the first formula, which I can say was one of the only eyeshadow palettes I've actually ever gotten rid of in my life. These are a totally different formula in my opinion. I'm going to end with a little bit of the darkest shade, the darkest green there, and I'm just going to focus that right against the eye line. And again, this is where I want to keep that line really, really tight to my skin. And I kind of pick up my shadow brush and then take it in here, and I'm kind of jamming that right in between my upper and lower inner lash line there. And then I pull that across, just very lightly blend those together, like that. Beautiful. I'm gonna finish by taking the lightest color on a little brush like this, and I'm gonna pull it into my inner corner, and then I'm gonna pull some of that color there, pick up a little bit more, and starting right in the middle. So I'm going to finish this off by taking Victoria Beckham Eyeliner in Fig, and I'm just going to hit my inner lash line, but I'm going to stop over my pupil. I'm not going to cross my entire lash line, but I am going to come in here and do the same there. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it right into the corner, I'm going to pull it out like that. This is where I will usually take a small brush like that one I used that dark green with, and I'm going to blend those two lines together ever so gently. Add a little bit more of that green. The darkest one. Touch more. And I'm not going to pull the skin out too much. Look at that. Oh, love. This is my first look with these new palettes, and they are amazing. Let's finish it off with a little mascara. use this Lash Princess one. Not a huge fan of curling my eyelashes. I think it does more damage than good. So I try to reserve it only for special occasions. I'm tempted to finish this off. Just a tiny bit of highlight on my brow bone here. I'm gonna blend this down. And that's the look. Victoria Beckham's new olive wardrobe palette. And amazing. Easy to travel, high quality, super creamy, super blendable luxe formula with a great green color palette. Love.